It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, and we are back with another one. Basically, this vlog is just going to start off with me doing a quick unboxing of some of the Amazon things that I do have. As I told you guys before, I have a ton of stuff coming from Amazon that I have already ordered, and I'm coming to you guys with a freshly clean face, no makeup on, and my skin is looking spectacular. It looks really nice. Anyway, so let's get into this unboxing. I already started unboxing some of the stuff because I don't have no patience. I don't have no patience, and I don't have no problem saying I don't have any patience. Right. So here we go. I had opened the smaller box. Ooh, is my lashes showing? It's okay. I'll just think it out. I had opened the smaller box here. Opened it up. Ooh. And the reason why I opened it up is because it has a dress in it. So this is the dress that I'm talking about. And it's like a satin dress. It's really pretty. I didn't think it was going to be this thin, but if you guys are not, okay with thin material, then you might want to like steer clear of this. I'll probably leave a picture in either the left corner or the right corner of the video of how it looks on the model. It was folded up, so it is pretty wrinkly, and I'm not sure what the material is for this dress, but I'll double check. Okay, so it was made in China, washed separately, washed with light colors, do not bleach, warm iron if needed, do not dry clean. Okay, 100% polyester. It's 100% polyester. I would probably steam this, like a steam. Yeah, I think a steam would do good. It says you could use the iron on a warm temperature. Yeah, I'd probably just steam this. It's super wrinkly though. I'm gonna wash it. It has this kind of like a hourglass shape to it a little bit. So like if you have curves and you don't want something that's super fitted or super tight, then I would definitely use this. It clings to your skin, like it clings to your body, and it's really nice. It's longer than I expected it to be. It's almost to my knees, surprisingly, but I don't have a problem with that, I'm going to wash it, clean it, see how it does in the wash, see how it looks afterwards. We'll see if it shrinks. Hopefully it doesn't, because it's kind of like one of those dresses that are not super tight, but it's just like it fits like a glove. It's not super tight. It's not super loose. It's perfect. But it does have a flare at the bottom, like a flare, a little bit of a flare, just because that seems like it was just the way the dress was made out to be, like the shape of it. So it kind of like flares out a little bit. I didn't expect that. So maybe if I wash it, it'll loosen up a little bit and maybe that'll go away, but we'll see. It ties in the back right here, and it is a little backless. It is really, really pretty. And it's worth it. It's not even that much money. I think it's like 20 something dollars. It is definitely giving Shein though. Very thin material. If you don't mind thin material, then that's fine. It's thin material, but it's not see-through. So just keep in mind. I probably wouldn't get a white color though, just to be safe. Okay, so what do we have next? From Amazon, I ended up getting these affirmation cards to keep me in a positive mood, because every single month I have, my period, and sometimes we all need to be reminded of like, positive things. Like, think positive. You need that reminder. Affirmation cards are that. And the top of the thing is kind of like dirty and busted, but whatever. It has the cards, and it has this little tray where your cards can like sit in on top of your table, your nightstand, whichever you choose, so you can see it first thing in the morning. So I got these. I love them. I'll put a clip of them in the corner somewhere, as well as the price for these. And everything will be linked in the description box as well. Now I got this. I have no idea what this is, but we're gonna open it because I ordered a lot of stuff, right? And oh, okay, wait. It says, oh, okay, I think I know what this is. This is the this is my candle holders. I believe they're my candle holders. Now, Amazon's the only people that I know that will put a box inside a box, inside a box, inside a box, inside a box. I mean, I'm not mad about it, you know? Gotta keep the stuff safe, but and minimize the boxes, I guess. Okay, these are cute. I think I got 3 or 4 of these. So they're candle holders. They have little feet at the bottom. I thought they would be like a darker gold, but they're a light gold. Not a problem. Still goes with the aesthetic of my room, even though it's not the right shade of gold. So I have 1 of these, 2 of these. Oh, it was only 3. Okay, well, that's better than the other ones. The other ones was asking for like $16 for like only 2. And then there's another one of them. They look like they're very well made. They're solid metal. They are actually kind of heavy. So that is good quality there, people. And let me put a candle on it to show you how it looks. Let's see how it looks with the candle. So this is a candle that I got from Target. Let's see. So this is how it looks. Isn't that cute? I think that's so cute. I think it's cute. And then you could just sit it down on your nightstand. It smells so good. Or whatever. And it's cute. So yeah, I'm about to go put this on my nightstand right now. So I have this other big old box here. Let me open this up. I think from what I was told, everything was supposed to come separately. I mean, not everything, but like I think they did not tape this up very well. Because that tape came off a little too easy. Let me take... I thought 2 things were supposed to come at a different time, but I don't know what ended up happening. I think I got everything that I ordered today. Well, I mean, I spent a good amount of money, so... Ooh, okay. So, what was the point of putting this in here if it's already busted? What the hell? It's all busted. There's no point in that. I got this for my bed. It's a huge, giant, like, twist pillow. And it's furry. So, this feels so comfortable. And it's actually, ooh, you can actually move it. I didn't even know you could move these things. This costs, I don't know how much, but I will put it somewhere over here and it'll be linked in the description box. But this is my pillow for my bed. Add a little bit of color because right now most of my sheets are white. And when I put some white sheets on my bed, you know, I want to, you know, put some color in there, get some color in there. So why not buy a decorative pillow that looks like it's a lot of fun and it's fluffy and it feels good, and why not throw it on the bed? You know, add a little something to the room. So I'm gonna go try this out and see how it looks on my bed. My bed is not made right now, so I'm probably not gonna show you guys that, but I love this pillow. It's really nice. It's really cute. It looked exactly like it did online, maybe probably a little bit darker online than in person, but I would say the description of this is pretty accurate. It is really, this is a large pillow, so this is pretty big. Like, it's bigger than my head. Like, it's pretty big. So Yeah, this is gonna be cute right in the middle of my bed. And you know what, matter of fact, let me throw it over there. Hey guys, now it is a couple days later. I just wanted to come back and show you guys what I got from Amazon. If you hear any like rock music, just disregard it and assume it's background noise because my neighbors decided that they wanted to play their rock music today at this time. It is what it is. We still gotta, record and do what we gotta do. So I have ordered some clothes from Amazon. In the beginning of this haul, I kind of showed you one of the dresses that I ended up getting. I actually decided to order some more clothes, being more open-minded as far as like clothing. So I ended up getting this dress that I'm wearing right now. It's a winter dress. Matter of fact, let me just get up and show you guys what it looks like. So this is the dress that I ended up getting from Amazon. It is a winter dress. It comes with this string right here, and it also comes with a hoodie in the back. So it's one of those dresses. It's really pretty. I like it. I would definitely probably pair this with a belt, and I'll show you what belt I would pair it with. Now I decided that if I did pair it with a belt, it would either be my Troy Birch belt or my Louis Vuitton belt. Either or would be great, but it'd be cute to like do something here. I don't know, because it kind of looks bare, even though that's the style of the dress. I actually ended up getting this in this color and also in a brown color, and I will show you guys how that looks. If it's not on thumbnail, it might actually be on the thumbnail, so you might actually get an idea of how it looks already. But it's basically just this dress in the brown color, and it's really cute. One thing I will say about one of the dresses, just to give you a heads up, is that one of the dresses did come with a parcel, meaning like it was wrapped in a delivery bag so that it was disclosed about what was inside. One of the dresses, and I'm pretty sure it's the dress I'm wearing right now, actually did not come with a parcel. So it didn't come with any cover or anything. It did also come in like a zip lock or a zip I don't know how to explain it other than like a Ziploc packaging where, it was kind of secure and folded. So the next thing that I ended up getting from Amazon was another vase. So I ended up getting this vase from Amazon. It's very pretty. I thought it would be like a teensy bit bigger. Granted, it does look super big on camera. It is technically big, but I wanted it to be a little bit bigger than this. It takes a good amount of plants. I just like it. I like the shape. It's different, I'm trying to get into more like vases around my house, even though I'm not really good with keeping up with like my flowers and stuff. But vases are really nice touches to the home. So I decided to get this. I might actually invest in, some fake flowers instead of just doing the real flowers, just because I don't think I can keep up with managing the, real flowers. And I kind of hate when they die. So yeah. Yeah, guys, I think that's about it. I think that's all I got from Amazon. I got a lot of stuff. I'm glad that everything came, and I'm glad that nothing came damaged. So them putting a parcel over it to cover it so that you wouldn't know what was in there, they actually just took the packaging that the dress had came in originally, meaning the folded packaging and sealing that it came in, and they sent it, and it was clear so that so whoever did deliver my stuff, they seen like it was a dress. So just be aware that if you live in like an area where they might take your stuff, because I definitely had to leave a comment under reviews about that situation, because that was kind of tacky and tasteless, and I don't want your dress to get stolen if you do order it. So just keep that in mind. It happened with one of my dresses, not the other dress. So, I mean, I don't know. You might want to take a chance on it. It is good quality. It is a good quality dress, surprisingly, from Amazon. It's not itchy material, nothing like that. I washed all my clothes from Amazon before I actually tried it on, and I'm actually pretty impressed. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching as always. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on social media. All the links to all the stuff that I got from this video will be linked down below in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.